Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just visiting for the first time, you already know what to do. Please kindly subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that Betsy is back. Today I'm going to be giving you a recipe for a birthday dinner I'm preparing. After a quick break, okay? I'll be right back. Subscribe. Oh my God, Tara, you look so good.
Thank you, baby, and your show looks great.
I know, I'm just trying to get subscribers. It's so hectic.
Well, I've been watching and it's been interesting.
Do you like it?
I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to jump on these recipes and make it today.
Oh my God, I didn't cut. What's the good cheese? OMG, imagine being locked up in the restaurant for 2 hours. Imagine if that guy did not come to my rescue. Omo, I would have been locked up.
But you know it's good for you. Like, who just goes to restrooms in every restaurant?
FYI, I always like to look pretty.
Look at what looking pretty has cost you. The next time, they'll probably leave you till the next day. Thank you.
Go for me, no. Let's wait.
Food.
Wait.
Put this here.
Oh, he's smoking.
Who is that? It's fine.
Should I go say hi?
Why?
Can't you see that tall vanilla caramel topping? He's so good. I want to go say hi.
Rest. Hello, you two. You are a tall glass of caramel vanilla with a sprinkle of everything. He should come and talk to you first.
Anna, it doesn't matter. If he doesn't come talk to me, I can go talk to him. What's the big deal?
It's a big deal, my darling. You are the prize. Just he should come and talk to you, not you talking to him. What? Oops. Well, prize has been lost. He's been taken. Let's eat in peace. Try in your next life. Why do you not carry on the meat? I can't believe we made it. I can't believe it. No, I'm sleeping on the couch.
I'm sleeping on the couch. I'm sleeping on the couch.
I can't believe you don't do this. I can't believe it.
I'm sleeping on the couch. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Send him in. Did you just say send him in? Who is coming?
Who is coming? Did you just say that you should send somebody up?
A visitor.
Shut up. Why do you have a visitor now? What do you need this?
Seriously,
And you said send him. Who is he?
Him? Is he a man? I'm high now. I'm very young. Oh, wait. I need to
Wait,
him up. Wait.
Wait, let me go first. I'm not going to see already. Betty, wait. Betty. Why am I following you?
What is that you do?
Why didn't you ask your security who the person is? My head is paining me.
Maybe I'm going.
See, go and find out by yourself.
This
I'm not just... Go and find out.
My God!
Hey, baby girl. How now? How are you?
Hey, yo.
Yeah?
My bestie looks so good.
You look even better than before. Hey, what's up?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
When did you get back from, Abuja? When did
Oh,
you get back?
no. You know, I have work in both bases, so I shuttle between Lagos and Abuja because I have business there everywhere. How are you? Hey.
My bestie looks good.
Yes, how are you?
Come in. Tana, we're service. Hey,
Oh, Tana is inside.
Yeah, come in.
Oh, nice. Wow, I haven't seen
Tana! Tana, please sit. Ayo is here.
It's a really nice house.
Thank you. Come sit.
May I? Oh, sit. This is peace be unto.
Hey, you.
Tana, hey.
Hey.
It's been a while. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
Good to see
you. Look lovely as always. Listen, I'm super glad I decided to grace us with your presence. You've been in Europe for a while. I thought you were never going to come back.
Never. I love my country.
Oh, she a patriot.
You will not shut up now. You don't go on.
Wow. So because Ayo is here now, you just want me to be going? No worries. You will beg
Go
me.
home. I'm tired of
You
you.
people haven't changed. Not even one bit.
I've changed.
Do you know that this girl came to see me in my office, and since then she has not gone back to her house.
Office? You set up an office already?
Yes. I set up a small office space while I'm still, trying to build my YouTube channel, get subscribers. Yeah, I just do business.
Super proud of you. Well done. Congratulations.
Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty Ugbedo. And
What's Ugbedu? What?
Ugbedu.
You see what she's doing?
We are pronounce it Ugbedo.
That was really good. Really.
Thanks for stopping by.
No problem. I have to be honest, right? It's really good seeing you, and I missed you.
I've missed you too.
All right. Catch up later.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Got a few things to do.
Oh!
Yeah. I can't believe you remember that. Are you serious?
Yes, I did.
All right.
Bye.
I'll see you.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Royal Majesty.
What are you doing here?
Come and give me Jesus. I don't know where you're going. Come and give
Oh, Dana. Oh,
Where? Spill.
spill what?
Talk now.
Talk what?
You and Ayo Joe.
I don't understand. What about A and I?
Like, are you trying to tell me that you can't see that this guy has the hots for you?
That's not true. Me and A, we've been besties since uni. We're still very close.
Wait, Betty, so you want to tell me you don't know this guy likes you?
As a friend, yes.
So you mean you don't find anything swoon-worthy about Ayo?
Ew. A is like a brother to me.
Hey! He is not your brother. Elizabeth Ugbedo and Ayo Ewara, they are not related.
Dana, A is my brother. I beg. No, I beg.
Babe,
I have something to do. Sorry,
Babe.
love.
Thank you. I didn't feel like doing anything with you tonight. I wasn't in the mood.
Man troubles.
Why is everything always with man around you?
What of that man you were talking to?
See, that guy, it ended before it even started.
What happened?
This guy is boring, I beg. I can never start telling you about how boring he is because I'll bore you and me out in the process.
But at least you're lucky. You found a guy that took interest in you.
How am I lucky?
Look at me. I have a master's degree. a nice apartment, nice car, good job, amazing friends. But the one thing I need the most in life, I don't have.
What's that?
A man, Tana, a man.
Wait, but you have men now. All those different guys. Just pick from one of them.
Tana, I want a fairy love story. You know that one that just sends like shivers down your spine and butterflies in your tummy? I just want to feel everything. I just want it all.
What kind of butterflies do you mean?
Tana, I want a 6 feet tall, someone that will sweep me off my feet. Like nice eyes, caramel with vanilla and like small toppings, like
all
nice dentition.
One person. Ha! This one, you are creating a perfect human being. No, that's God.
Stop, Tana, seriously.
But seriously, do you have somewhere that you can go that will create a human being like that for you? If you know, tell me, let me follow you.
Such men exist.
Where? My darling, such men don't exist.
That's why I'm sad. I feel like I'm never going to find my dream man, you know? I'm not going to have a man for Valentine's Day.
Wait, you're confusing me. Do you want somebody like now? Because Valentine's Day is like 3 months away. Or do you want somebody for Valentine's Day? Or do you want someone that even after Valentine's Day, you will have a life with the person?
Tana, seriously, obviously after Valentine's Day, someone I can get married to. And then we'll have lovely kids and just... Tana, just be in love and just do all those mushy stuff.
From what you're saying, we're behind schedule. Valentine is 3 months away.
Tana, okay, whatever.
But this is a lot of work. So we have how many months to find this perfect person before Valentine? It's a miracle you're looking for, my sister.
Do you think I'm gonna find him? Oh, no, I don't want to be.
And how is your child?
Fine. You're okay.
It's good to know.
Thank you for that money.
Oh yeah, absolutely welcome. That's fine.
Yes, sir. Okay, so.
Yes.
I thought your friend for your investing friend.
You're very inquisitive. Well, if you must know, yes, she's the person I'm going to meet up with.
Ah, tell you fresh like today bread.
Keep up that flat and you stop working for me.
Yes. But me not be better to me not work now. Not say.
Okay. So
they don't want to take me. I will not put something for food for you.
Look at you. How do I look?
Fresh.
Fresh?
Fresh, die.
Are you lying?
Their father.
Fresh? Okay.
Their father.
Let me go. Calm down.
Okay.
When you are cleaning, pay attention to my bathroom.
Okay, boss. Precious.
Stop it.
Alright, sir.
Clean my bathroom.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Ooh, it's nice. Thank you. Ooh. Bon appetit.
Yes, I think that's the proper phrase.
This is so good.
This is good as well. That looks good. You know what? The food here, I was sold on it when I brought a few friends here and we ate, and since then, I've been sold. It's really good. Yeah. So tell me, what have you been up to all these years?
Up to?
You know, I used to get a front row seat to all your antics.
Oh yeah, you used to know everything. Oh yeah, you knew everything about me. We served in the same place.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
You're actually one of my best friends.
And you absolutely mean the world to me.
Wait, what about your dad? You told me you mentioned he retired or
Yes,
something.
he did retire. He's moved back to the family house in Calabar.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
And your sister, Maria.
That one is married, if you can imagine.
OMG, no way.
Yes,
Maria is married?
She is.
Really? How come you never told me about it?
Well, let's just say I forgot to tell you.
You know, I actually missed all those her prank calls that she used to do. Wow, Maria is married.
She is.
Oh my God. I just can't believe it. That's so good. Thank you for the home welcome meal. I'm so full.
You're absolutely welcome.
Thank you.
So tell me, what are you doing tomorrow?
I have a few meetings.
Yeah. Okay, do you have any idea when they end?
Why? Do you want to take me for lunch again tomorrow?
Look, I just wanted to spend some more time.
Hey yo, we've been here for over 2 hours. We spent so much time.
I know, but look, Betty. We've practically known each other a decade, and I don't think there's anything much we need to know more about each other.
Yeah, you're actually one of my best friends, actually.
When we lost touch when you moved abroad, I quickly came to realize that you're irreplaceable.
FYI, there can never be any replacement.
I agree.
There can only be one Betty, okay?
I agree, certainly, I agree. And how do I say this? That's the reason I would like us to take it a step further.
I don't think I understand.
Listen, Betty, I want us to be more than friends. I actually want to date you. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Did I say something wrong? Hey, here's a tissue. I'm sorry.
I feel sick. I really need to go.
I'm really sorry about your stomach.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Sorry, take it easy.
Yeah.
Hey, Betty, we still haven't completed our conversation.
I feel so sick. I just need to go home.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you need anything?
Yeah, we'll talk. No, I'm good.
Hey.
Thank you so much for the meal. I really do appreciate it.
But we haven't really...
Yeah. Hey, I'll talk to you. Bye.
Okay, careful. Watch your back.
This is great news.
What is?
Ayo telling you how he feels about you.
And that is great news.
Yes, you finally get what you want before Valentine.
Tana, I said I wanted a man, not Ayo.
But is Ayo a hermaphrodite?
Ayo is my best friend. He's like a brother to me. And besides, I have no feelings for Ayo.
I'm confused. No. They say that the best spouses are your friends.
That's not true.
That's true.
Tana, I can picture my ideal man in my head. I can see his lips, his eyes, his mouth. Gosh, and it's definitely not Ayo.
I don't think you're being realistic right now.
I am.
This kind of man does not exist.
Yes, he does. And I'll find him.
You should really just go with Ayo.
Oh! Why don't you go with Ayo? You guys look amazing together.
I think something is wrong with you. Why don't you want to take his call? This is crazy. What you're looking for is right in front of you, yet you're running away from it. Boss, I don't serve your food.
Yeah, thank you. That's fine.
Boss.
Yeah?
Everything okay?
Vera, I'm fine.
But you don't look fine. Your girl, your face, your day up since morning. Your door, some kind. You get malaria?
I don't have malaria, Vera. I'm expecting a call and I haven't gotten it, that's all. I don't have malaria, I'm not ill. Yes.
The call, na man na be una woman.
What do you think?
Na that your friend una two go university.
As a matter of fact, it is. I took her out and asked her to be my girlfriend. Calm down. Look, she hasn't responded to me yet.
Please, I don't understand. But you don't tell her that we're not two friends.
I am not sure how to explain it, Vero, but I asked her to be my girlfriend and something happened and she wasn't able to give me a response.
Wish now, so she never answered you. You not get missed call?
No, I don't have missed calls.
Me also say, she not reason her bros, na network. He go not send you message. He don't reply. Na network.
Well, actually, it could be network.
Na network. Not too reason her culture. Na she?
Oh God, no, it's work. Leave the food I would eat.
You.
Oh, okay.
I really, really do like you. But just as a friend and nothing else.
Oh, oh wow. Yeah. Wow. I to be honest, I thought that I was talking to friends on, but I just assumed that years away would have maybe sparked something in you.
No.
Oh.
No. Are we still friends?
Yeah, of course. Of course. Always, always.
I'm so scared because
No. It's
yes, we're good.
yes. Yeah.
Is this what you called me here to talk about?
I can't believe we saw each other again. This has to be destiny.
To be fair, that guy didn't see you. You're the only one that saw him at the restaurant.
Gosh. Tana, this guy is so hot.
Okay, so what's his name? And did you get his number finally?
No idea.
You brought me here to talk about someone that does not even know you exist.
Tana, I brought you here to tell you that I have finally found my soulmate. Tana, do you know how hard it is to meet the same person twice in this city? Ta-da! I have found my Valentine!
Wait, you're not serious, right? Because this guy does not know you exist. What if he's in a relationship?
Me too.
I don't know. That girl that we saw at the restaurant, what if that's his babe?
I doubt it. I checked his engagement finger, marriage finger, and it was bare. He's definitely single. Possibly such.
Okay, so let's even say he is. How do you plan to meet him and start a relationship with him?
I can 100% tell you that he's registered at the gym.
Okay, fine. So get to the gym, become his friend, start dating, and let me know. Bye.
I hope there's a next time. I can't even wait. I'm just gonna hold him in my arms and hug him and just say, you're fine.
Hey, hi.
Hey. Hi.
My name is Derek, but friends call me D.
Betsy.
It's a beautiful name for a beautiful lady, right?
Thank you.
I saw you yesterday and I was like, yeah, she's fine, you know?
Yeah, I mean, thank you.
Yeah, so, are you leaving?
Yeah, I actually came early, so...
Yeah, my alarm messed me up, so that's why I'm here. Is it too soon to ask for your number, though?
No, not at all. Yeah.
Okay, so, why don't you, put it right there? Alright, so I'll call you. Betsy.
Hi.
Bye. Whoa.
So wait, are you telling me that you got his number?
Yes! And he was so gorgeous up close. Oh.
Wait, I hope you don't go and start showing him all of this, so.
Showing him what?
How much you've been crushing on him.
Oh no, of course not. Come on, I was acting so cool the whole time. Even if I don't scream. And then he told me how he was admiring me.
Really?
All the while.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for me too. I'm unbelievably happy.
So wait, when last did you speak with Ayo?
Why?
Nothing. I'm just asking.
I mean, we're both busy now, so I don't know.
Okay. I need to go prepare for work. I have a meeting and I cannot keep my clients waiting. I would see you some other time.
Spending the night.
No. I've spent how many nights already? Not
Please, but
tonight.
you know I hate sleeping in darkness.
Turn on the lights. Normal people do that.
I'm
Bye.
ready to have my Prince Charming sleep with me. Hi, my name is... Okay, no, I won't do that. I'm gonna say... My name is... Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are just visiting for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. My name is Betty, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make special fried rice. If you want to make fried rice with your boyfriend, you know, be that good girlfriend, this is the channel to come to. Now, this is my rice, chicken, my sausages, my green peas, Maggi. Hello? Hi, Dee. Hi. No, not at all. Perfect timing. Doing nothing. Yeah. This is Betty, my room number. Yeah, sure. Lunch? Yeah, now? Like right now? Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Now. Okay. See you soon. Bye.
Such a sweet talker.
You don't believe me?
Me too.
Oh. Okay, so now that we're officially together.
Official?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Are we really official?
Of course we are. What's on What's on the schedule of first day as a couple?
I don't know. Tell me.
Really? Okay, let me think.
Hey, baby girl!
Why are you so excited?
Can you tell?
I can tell that your face looks like a crocodile's mouth that just twisted.
Will you keep quiet?
Let me guess. D is responsible for the way you're blushing.
How can a man be so perfect?
Perfect. Babe, calm down. It's not that deep.
Do you know I woke up to a delicious breakfast in bed? My baby made me breakfast in bed.
Breakfast.
And guess what?
What?
We had our very first sleepover.
Betty. Yes. Don't touch me. You guys just went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Can I shock you?
Shock me.
We're official. We became a couple yesterday. We're dating.
Wait. Bessie, you've barely known this guy for 2 weeks. You don't even know anything about him to know if you want to be with him.
How long do I need to take to know everything about him? I know everything there is.
But Betty, wait. You know that men like this, they can have...
I beg! Babe, please stop. Can you just be happy for me? Please be happy for me. I finally found my dream for Valentine.
I'm sorry. I'm happy for you. I hope you have not forgotten in all this your drama that today is Eric's birthday. I forgot. How can you forget something as important as that?
Okay, please. I'm going to buy a cake. Can you just promise to help me drop it at his, please? Please.
It's okay.
I have a Valentine, baby. Ain't you happy for me?
I'm happy for myself.
Hey, Betsy.
Oh, hey. Ayo, hi. How are you?
Hey, I'm fine. I was afraid you were not going to be at home.
Oh, yes, I am
Yeah.
home.
Tana got me the cake yesterday. She brought it to my house. Thank you very much.
Oh, she did.
It's really good. Also, I appreciate the fact that you remembered my birthday.
Hey.
Oh, Ayo, my best friend.
Oh.
My boyfriend. My boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, Chief. My name is Ayo. Nice to meet you, I guess. I should have called.
No.
I'm sorry.
Hope you like the cake.
No, the cake was good. Thank you. But I should have called. I'm sorry for disturbing.
No. Thanks for coming. Thanks for
Yes,
stopping
it's
by.
fine. Thank you.
Problem. No worries. Bye. I'll see you around. Alright, bye.
Who's that? Your friend?
Yes, don't you trust me?
You know I trust you.
You better not.
Hey. You scared me over the phone. Are you okay?
Why didn't you tell me?
What did I tell you what?
Why didn't you tell me that Betty has someone else?
Oh, come on, Ayo, that's not my place. It's her place to tell you.
Listen. I have loved Betty since the moment I set my eyes on her. Okay, and I blame myself for not having the courage to tell her how I feel.
Ayo, you know that Betty friend-zoned you a very long time ago.
I know, but I was kind of hoping.
My darling, when you are in the friend zone, there are no hopes.
Yes, but we were apart for a very long time and I was hoping that maybe she would see me in a different light.
I mean, she really likes this new guy. You just have to... I think you just have to move on. Just wish her all the best and try and find a girl. I mean, there are many girls.
She's not the one that I want.
Sorry.
Babe, have you seen my wristwatch?
It's on the table.
Alright. Hey.
Hey. Ooh. My man is so fine.
Yeah.
How did I even get so lucky?
Oh. What's up? Are you driving to work?
Yes, why?
My car's at the mechanic.
Okay, you wanna ride with me?
No, how about we do it this way? Why don't I drop you off and then I pick you up later? Because I have an urgent meeting I need to attend to.
How long is it gonna take, babe?
Not too long, baby. I'll pick you when I'm done, huh?
Okay.
Oh.
Munchin, where are you? I've been waiting. Okay. Yeah. Come in. Ayo,
Hey.
I wasn't expecting you.
I know, how are you?
I'm fine.
I saw your PA outside. He told me you were inside, so I hope you don't mind that I stopped by to say
Not
hi.
at all. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. We're still besties.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Oh, yes, part of the things I stopped by talk to you about. So I want to tell you that regardless of all this, I support your relationship and I promise to always be there for you.
Thank you so much, Ayo. I've been worried, considering what happened the last time. I thought things would get awkward.
Don't worry about it. We're best friends for life.
Thank you. Oh, I feel relieved now.
Well, happy to help. Happy to help. Let me. Oops, it's past 9.
Yes.
Are you going to be here much longer?
No, I was actually about ordering a cab before you came in.
What happened to your car?
This stuck in traffic.
I can give you a lift. Now, do you mind?
Sure.
Sure. Why not? Let's go.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Upset. I said I was sorry.
My staying in traffic wasn't my decision. I hope you know that.
Babe, I know, but how was I supposed to know you were still gonna come?
But I told you I was on my way, didn't I?
Yes, you did, but I was tired of waiting.
It's fine, it's fine.
Babe, I said I was sorry. Please, Munchkin.
What about Ayo? Did you have to call him to pick you and bring you back home?
Babe, Ayo was in the area. I didn't even have to call him. Seriously, babes, Ayo's office is like 2 minutes away from mine. And besides, we're just friends.
Friends? You think that's all he wants?
Munchkin, Ayo and I go way back to 100 level in uni. I mean, yes, he tried to, whatever, he wanted more than friends. And I called it off and he moved on. Babes, I'm serious.
Next time, just take a cab, that's all.
Okay, next time I will just take a cab.
Yeah.
Can we go upstairs now, please?
Why?
Can I take you to the room?
You know how to get me, right?
Yes. Come.
I just kept me out. I'm not really happy.
Babes, I'm gonna show you.
Your leg.
My leg hurts.
What happened? Did you eat it?
I had to walk from the gate.
What happened to your car?
Dee is driving it.
What happened to his car?
I think he says that the mechanic.
Let me get this right. So, his car is at the mechanic, and then he drives your car, and then you take Ubers and Trek.
Tana, what's the problem?
There's no problem. I'm just trying to understand this.
I beg. I don't want to start. Has your client come?
She hasn't, and we agreed 9 o'clock. I don't know why she's not here yet. This is why I don't like brides. They never keep to time.
You know you're an event planner, so you have to learn patience, right?
The brides should learn to be on time.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Munchkin. How are you?
I'm okay. Babe. Can I borrow your laptop?
My laptop.
Mine crashed.
It crashed? Where is it? Did you take it for repairs?
Yeah. I sent it in for repairs, but it won't be available till about 2 days. And I need to work on a laptop ASAP.
Babe, I need to use it at work and I only have one.
Yeah, I'll just borrow it for 2 days.
Munchkin, just get another one.
I know the one I want is not available. I've ordered it. They say it'll come in about 2 days, but I need to work on the laptop.
Babe, this is going to stall my work.
It's okay. Come here. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You know you didn't tell me why you haven't gone to work.
I haven't completed my orders and besides I don't have a laptop.
What happened to your laptop?
I do, but it's not with me right now.
Who is it with? D borrowed it. D. Again. What do you mean D again? I mean, didn't he just borrow your car last week? And now he's borrowing your laptop.
He had to do something with it. His laptop crashed.
Why did he just buy another one?
What is that a problem?
It's no problem. I'm just saying, you know, I will not hide my mouth.
I beg, as your client choosing the design she wants for the cake.
Stop. I sent you her selection yesterday. I sent it to your mail. If you had your laptop, you would have seen it.
I received my emails on my phone. I'll check it. It's okay. It's not that serious. Bye-bye.
Let your business not go and close because of man that doesn't have laptop.
Bye.
See you later.
Hey. Come here. So how's my favorite girl in the world doing today?
I'm doing okay. Just missing my boyfriend.
I'm here, baby.
Yes, you are. Have you had dinner? Let's go grab some.
No. Hey, I'd love to, but I need to step out real quick, you know.
Oh, what's up?
First of all, I just came to see you.
Oh, so you just came to see me and catch a glimpse of my face, huh?
Yeah, that, and I have a favor to ask.
Oh, what's up?
Can I get some quick cash from you?
Quick cash?
Yeah, like my ATM card isn't working. I don't know what's up. And then all my bank apps, like all 6 of them, are just not working at the same time. It's crazy, y'all. You know.
These banks. Have you complained?
I don't have the time for that. Can you just loan me some money?
How much?
Like 500K.
500 what?
Yeah, 500,000. I'll pay you back.
But that's not quick cash. I'll have to transfer from my business account.
Yeah, just do that. I mean, you can send it to my account. I'll send you the details. And I'll pay you back. But I gotta go now, babe. Come here. All right, baby. See you, yeah?
All right.
I'll call you.
Yeah.
Hey, princess. Good morning, baby.
Coming?
Sorry?
I didn't hear you coming.
Oh, yeah, that's because I was careful not to disturb you.
What are you doing at the wardrobe?
Oh, I'm hanging up my clothes.
Your clothes?
Hey. Come here. You sleep well? What would you like for breakfast?
Whatever you give me.
Okay. Your wish is my command, baby.
Babe, did you bring your box?
Yeah, I'm moving in.
You are?
Yeah. I miss you. I miss you every time we're apart, so I thought it'd be only fair we move in together.
Really?
Yes, baby. Come here, look at me. I want to love you for a very, very, very long time, baby.
I love you.
All right. So just sleep now. Let me go get that breakfast ready, okay? Huh?
Okay.
Give it to me.
I love you so much, babe.
I love you too, babe.
I love you too.
I'll be back in a bit, okay? Don't stress yourself. All right? Just wait.
Hey, babe.
Hi, Dee. I didn't know you were here.
Yeah, I am.
Why didn't you tell me you were here?
I don't remember, and I didn't feel it would have anything to do with our movie night, so.
When is he leaving? Because you know I'm sleeping over.
Babes, you can sleep over. You can stay in the guest room. Let me check about him.
Munching.
Can't be bothered.
Hey, Munching.
Yeah.
Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You didn't seem happy when you came to the living room earlier.
Oh, you didn't tell me Tana was coming.
Oh, that babe. I'm so sorry. I mean, we always have this movie night thing we do on Thursdays, so just...
Movie night.
Babe, Tana is cool and she's my best friend.
You have so many best friends. I'm serious. It's becoming alarming.
I'm sorry, babe. Munching, Okay.
On a second thought, I think I'm just going to sleep on the couch. It's more comfortable than the guest room.
It is still earlier.
For us to watch another movie, right?
No, I mean, you can still go home.
How will I go home by this time? It's late now.
It's just that D and it's just awkward.
What's awkward?
D doesn't like people around.
You should go to his house now.
Tana.
What now? This is my best friend's house. And we planned for a sleepover.
Tana, I promise next week I'll spend the night at yours and we can see a movie and...
So I should leave your house because of a man.
Tana, it's not like that. It's just...
No, it's fine.
Tana, don't
It's
be upset.
no,
I'm sorry now. It's not what you think. Just
It's
understand.
okay. I understand that you are choosing a man over your best friend.
Tana, if it was you...
Our movie night that we always do, but you're choosing a man over me.
Tana, I'm not choosing a man over you. If it was
It's
you, I
fine, it's fine.
understand.
Good night.
Tana, okay, I'm sorry.
It's good night, babe.
Okay.
Babe.
Hey, babe.
Hey, what's up? What you doing?
I'm trying to create an invoice for some of my clients, like my new clients.
Seems like a lot of work.
Not really, babe. Babe, I feel like when I have like new subscribers and new clients, then I'll have an assistant, so I won't even bother.
What are you talking about? Your business is booming for you. Now you have what? How many subscribers? You have a lot of subscribers.
We thank God.
Okay. Babe.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
leave work. You know I love you, right?
I know, and I love you right back, Munchin.
So there's this business venture that I want to get into. It's buying and selling of gym equipment. It's a potential money spinner. It's big.
Oh, baby. Congrats, you should do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
I appreciate you telling me, babe.
Yeah. Betty, I'll need like 20 million now. I have 30 million now already, so, you know, I'll need you to like loan me 20 million. I'll pay back, you know.
Huh?
Yeah.
Babe, I don't have that kind of money. Where am I supposed to get 20 million naira from? I mean, I don't have that kind of money.
Come. let's talk about this. You know, you could get a loan from the bank, right?
A loan? Babe, with what collateral?
You figure something out. I know. I'll pay you back though. Seriously.
Babe, the money I made when I traveled and the one my parents gave me, I've invested it. And my influencer thing hasn't even picked up. I don't have that kind of money.
Come on, just do this. I know you figure it out. I'll pay you back, honestly.
Babe,
yeah.
Even the 500k loan, you haven't even paid back.
Are you serious? Wait, hold on. Are you serious? Because so because of
babe,
500,
no,
you
no,
know,
no,
because
no.
of 500,000, you don't want to give me
babe, that's not what I meant. I'm sorry. Like,
no,
babe.
And how much are you looking to loan?
20 million.
20 M, that's a lot of money. Why? Why do you need that much?
Ayo, it's a loan. Okay, if you can loan me, please do. It's for my business.
Well, I'll loan you the money, but it's not straightforward. I have to liquidate assets and that might take a week or so.
Thank you, that's fine.
Just give me about a week. As long as it's for your business, like you said.
Yes, I'm just trying to expand my business.
Okay.
See, I honestly don't think you should give her that money.
Why not?
Because that money is definitely not for her business. What if that digger is just trying to get money from her?
But that's her boyfriend. Why would you say something like that?
Look, guys like D like to find rich women, they start to suck them dry.
Well, I guess we should assume that Betty wouldn't fall for somebody like that then.
What if she doesn't know? Look, we need to do this for her and be sure that she's not trying to get money to give to that boy.
Tana already promised her I'll give her the money.
Then just hold out on giving her the money. Just hold out for a little while. Till we're sure that that guy is not like a swindler or whatever it is I'm just imagining.
Fine.
I don't want her to get into trouble.
I know.
Why are you dressed so nice? Cannot be for me.
I'm not dressed so nice, it's just my... Okay, fine. I have a date. Yes, I have a date.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Is she nice?
She's nice. We've been on a few dates and I guess we'll see how it goes. Stop.
I'm happy for you.
Stop it. Go inside.
Make sure
your
you're
house.
not going to be slow with this one. Before she friend zones you.
Fine. Goodbye. I won't give her the money.
Don't give her the money.
I'll wait.
All right.
See you soon.
See ya.
I'm glad you're still talking to me after what happened the last time.
I mean, I'm stuck with you, so do I have a choice?
Thanks for not being so upset.
I guess that your boyfriend wants to spend more time with his girlfriend.
You know, he's such a hunk. And at the same time, he's also so needy. Cute, right?
I want to ask you a question. Doesn't your boyfriend have a house? Why is he always here?
So, he says he wants to spend more time together. To be honest, I don't mind.
But have you ever been to his house?
No, why?
Do you know where he lives?
I mean, he stays somewhere in Banana Island.
Have you been there before?
I've seen pictures.
So you haven't been to your boyfriend's house?
Tana, can you stop it? What's all these questions?
I'm just trying to get to know him.
Tana, I get it. Okay, I get it that you're upset over the last time, but please don't pour your anger on my boyfriend.
I'm not putting any anger on anybody.
But that's what you're doing.
That's not what I'm doing.
Tana, since I started this relationship, you have never been supportive. Never.
Are you kidding me? I have been very supportive.
I've had a long day. I can't keep up with this thing. I'm going to sleep. Or should I maybe go home again? Yes, go home.
My friend is always staying in your house.
Next month is too far, but I mean, I guess I can wait. Thank you, Ayo.
What did he say?
He said next month.
Next month? Are you kidding me? Why?
Babe, we're asking for a loan. We can't just demand it from him.
Yeah, but you know that if you had gone to the bank, this wouldn't have happened. You know, right?
Babe, but the bank needs collateral. I don't have any.
You don't have what?
I don't have any collateral.
You have your business. You can put your business up for collateral. You know that.
Babe, come on. I can't gamble with my business. That's what
Gamble? Really? Oh, so you loaning me money is a gamble now? Is that it?
No. That's not what I meant. Babe, that... you been? I've been so worried about you.
What do you care?
Baby, I care about you so much.
Really? You don't trust me, Betty. And we both know that trust is vital to every relationship.
Babe, I trust you. We're a couple. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't bore you with my life issues.
Hey, listen. I said I would be there for you and I meant it.
Thank you.
Fine. So, I'm going to assume that the money you wanted me to loan you was for D.
Yes, he says he wants to start a new business and he's going to make so much profit. He just needs capital.
Okay, then why does he not borrow some money from the bank? You said he has some assets. I think you mentioned something about him living in Banana Island, yes?
Yes, I think he rented it. I'm not sure.
Okay. Listen, I don't mean to pry into your personal business, but you did say he got some money already, yes?
Yes, about 30 million naira.
So why does he not start small? Personally, I feel it's always a risk to invest such amount of money into a new business. What if the people he contacted doesn't meet him for the equipment? What happens then? You know? That's just my perspective, at least.
Yeah, that's true, Ayo. That's a great idea.
I think so.
Oh. Well, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Ayo. Thank you for being there.
No, it's
thank
nothing.
You.
You're welcome. It's nothing. How about I take you to your house?
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna get a cab.
No, I'm not busy. I'm not doing anything.
It says 3 minutes. Let's just wait.
I can...
Ayo, I've stressed you enough today. Trust me.
It's not
It's fine. Please, it's fine. Let me just...
Are
3 minutes. No, it's fine. See, I don't... Babe, I think Ayo's idea is fine.
You went blabbing to Ayo about my business.
Munchin, I went to ask him if he could get some money out sooner and got talking and...
You told Ayo about my business.
Babes, I know how urgent it is and I wanted him to...
How dare you, Betty? How dare you? How dare you? I gave you details about my private life and you share with your friends.
Babes, Ayo is my best friend.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare talk about my private life. Do I make myself clear? This is the last time you'll do that. I've never hit a woman before. I swear, never in my life. I don't know what got into me, but I feel so guilty and I'm so sorry. Please don't go cold on me. I don't know what I'll do without you. I don't know, babe. Please, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'll do. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
I can't believe that guy beat you. Like it's the entire audacity for me right now.
I can't believe my whole world just came crashing down on me.
Wait. Please, Betty, what did you do? I hope you beat him black and blue. Tell me that you finished him in that room.
Tana, this guy lifts weight for breakfast. If I started a fight with him, nothing good would have come out of it.
Shit. Shit. So wait, are you going to just let this guy go scot-free?
I really thought he was the one. I thought he ticked all my boxes. I thought we were going to be together for a long time. I really did. This is just...
Hey, babe. Baby. I came as soon as I got your message. I got you your favorite, bully and roasted fish. Yay! Baby, that's my box. What's my box doing out here?
Please check if everything is complete.
What are you talking about, babe? What do you mean?
It's over, D. I'm done.
Come on, babe. That's not possible. What do you mean it's over, D? I'm done. We love each other, remember, right?
Love doesn't hurt.
Babe, come on. I told you it was a mistake, Betty. Right? It was my hand. It worked on its own. I had nothing to do with it. It's a stupid hand. Come on.
D, I can't continue with this relationship.
You're not the kind of man I envisage for myself.
Okay, no. I'm sorry I yelled. No, Betty, no! What is this? Is it because I hit you? You know I didn't mean it. Betty, you know. Look at me, look at me, babe. Babe, look at me. I love you. I love you.
No matter what you say, I won't change my mind. Domestic violence is a deal breaker for me.
No. It's not possible. Listen. Betty, we had plans. Come on. I was going to propose to you, remember? I was going to propose marriage. Huh?
Just leave my life. Just leave, please.
Betty, no. What? You're making me yell. I don't like to shout, Betty. I told you it was a mistake. Look, listen, Betty, we promised to be with each other. I'm not going anywhere, okay?
This is my house, and you will leave when I ask you.
No, I will not go anywhere, Betty.
Yes, you will, sir.
Oh, hold on. What is this? What are you doing here? Oh, you're the one that's been brainwashing her, right? Is that what this is?
Listen. You need to save yourself the embarrassment and leave this house. She doesn't want you anymore.
And what's in it for you? Let me ask you. If you think she loves you, you're a bigger fool.
You have 1 minute to exit this building. Otherwise, I am going to go outside and get the police in here to hurl your ass out.
The police? You call the police on me?
And not only that, there's a written statement in the station attesting to your harassment and abuse, with pictures to boot.
Okay. Let me ask, what is in it for you? This is what you want, huh? Is this what you want? Let me tell you something. You'll never get another D like me in your lifetime. The funny thing is I'll get loads of women better than you. Thank you for letting me manage it while it lasts.
You need to leave.
Really?
It's best you leave.
Okay.
Amen to that. Amen to that. Now listen, before I even forget, so I was talking to a friend of mine and they have a great grandmother who's turning 100 years old and they want to throw a party for her.
100? That's a century.
Yes, that's a century. Look, the catch is they want to throw this really lavish party and I recommended you for the catering.
Oh no,
Thank
you.
I did,
yes,
yes.
yes.
But it's a catch.
Okay.
There's a catch. They have to, the party's in 1 week.
Okay. Okay, so when you're talking about lavish, how lavish?
I mean all caps. L-A-V, all caps. Lavish, lavish. Can you pull it off?
I can if it's lavish, bro. You got me.
Bro.
Let's roll. I'm excited. Thank you.
Yeah.
Obviously, I won't disappoint you.
Oh, please. You.
100.
It's all I can say.
So there you go.
My friend knows what he wants.
That he certainly does, and I talked you up to him, so he's expecting miracles, okay?
I'm seriously grateful, Elio. You know, if I can pull this off, I'm definitely going to break the internet.
Oh, I have no doubts that you'll break the internet. Come on.
Seriously, you know how to ginger me.
Now, what kind of guy would I be if I did not? I am the king of ginger, after all.
Seriously, I'm really grateful. You know, I never thought I would start my year like this. I promise not to disappoint you or your friend.
You better not disappoint me or him, because he's going to kill me if you do. He let a lot of people go to give you this job. Okay?
Now I'm nervous.
Don't be. You'll be fine.
I'll go the extra mile just to hear you say, be my Valentine. Just one look in your eyes and I knew I just want to spend my whole life with you. I will do anything, I will give everything just for you. I will climb the mountain.
Do you like it?
Sport it.
I'm not a
It's not
hairstylist.
better than this before.
Better tell me thank you. Can we even talk about how you've been having like mad orders since the century party?
See, my cake has been trending on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere.
Are you for real?
Yes.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy for me too. You know, after everything that happened, I really thought it would be hard to get on my feet.
I know, right?
Thanks for being there for me, babe.
Always and forever. But wait, can we even talk about Ayo? Like, you know, I've said it, it's so important to know people everywhere, but Ayo is like next level. He knows people everywhere. I can't even imagine how he knows all of them.
Do you know I tease him? Ayo knows somebody, someone, somehow he knows somebody anywhere we go. I'm just like...
No, but he wasn't like that in school now.
Oh, yes, he was. He was very popular.
Really?
Ayo's a red gem. Like, everyone knows him. He knows everyone.
He's a red gem. How did he become a gem? What's he gemming you to?
Girl, stop it. I beg. He's a gem now.
You're even blushing.
I'm not blushing.
That's how it starts, so Betty.
I'm not blushing.
Ayo is a gem.
He is a gem.
He goes soon jam.
Alright, leave my makeup. I myself. Alright! Don't just cut off my hair. You say they help me.
Go now! I've tried. Continue yourself.
I'm so bad.
I feel a love so true. It's so mysterious. With just one look in your eyes and I knew.
So it's 2 days to another Valentine and I don't have a vow. Still single and alone.
I will do anything. I will give everything just for you. I will.
What is with you sending me messages to come when I'm available when you know that I'm always busy?
I have something to tell you.
What is it? Are you pregnant?
Oh, Tana, no. It's something I've known for a while, but I've been finding it hard to admit it.
Okay. What is it?
I have feelings for Ayo.
What? Wait, what? Wait, répétez-toi. You have what?
Falling for him, Tana.
What are you going to do about this?
So, it's just everything I've been looking for in a man is in Ayo. And I've been so blind to see it.
Before, when you friend zoned him, why would you be blind?
Ayo is the ideal man for me. He's kind, he's caring, he's compassionate. He listens to me. And he's handsome too.
You're just realizing. No, you should have stayed there with your DDD. You know, see fine man for your face, for your front. But wait, you know the question now is he even single?
Is he?
I don't know. I mean, the last time you told me about a babe was one girl he was taking on dates, but she went to the UK. So I don't know if they picked up or if they just moved their separate ways. I can find out, but that's not it. What are you going to do? When do you want to tell him?
I'm thinking of confessing my feelings to him. What do you think?
When?
Today.
Today? Until tomorrow is Valentine.
I can't just stall. I need to get it off my chest.
I don't know.
Hey.
Are you okay? Why don't you call me? What happened?
Surprise.
Oh.
This is for you. Ayo. I know I rejected you, right? And it was a bad decision on my part. It took me experiencing a bad relationship with Dike to see what is right in front of me, to see the light in front of me. What I'm trying to say is, I think I'm in love with you. And I mean, I know we've been friends for so long. I don't even know when this feeling started, but one thing I know is I want to be with you, and not just as a friend, but as your girlfriend. Would you be my Valentine? I guess this was a bad idea. I'm so sorry for coming. I shouldn't have.